Welcome back to Explore Error. If you're stuck on a screen showing the error message that says, "The computer restarted unexpectedly," or "Encountered an unexpected error and Windows installation cannot proceed," while installing Windows 11, 10, 8, or even Windows 7 on a Dell PC or laptop, don't worry. This is a common problem, and I'll show you exactly how to fix it. First, press Shift F10 on your keyboard. On some laptops, you may need to press Shift FN F10 instead. When the command prompt opens, type regedit and press Enter. Now, go to H-key Local Machine, then System, Setup, Status, and Child Completion. On the right side, double-click on setup.exe. Change the value to 3 and click OK. After that, click OK on the error message. Your PC will restart and Windows will continue installing normally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Explore Error for more easy and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching.